Everyone, it's Andrew. So I'm doing an unboxing of my new computer monitor. So give me a second and I'll just kind of walk you through this. So here you have it, the Samsung CJ791 monitor. Comes in this large box. This is a 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor. This is the box that comes in. As far as the specifications on it, it's 21:9 aspect ratio. It is QLED equipped, and then it's 34 inch as I mentioned. Comes in this white with silver stand. What else? It's a 100 hertz refresh rate. And the reason why I got this monitor over others is it's Thunderbolt compatible. So I have an Apple MacBook Pro with the 2 Thunderbolt ports, and I picked this over other options because it has this capability in it where you can use it as a docking station. It has a bunch of ports into it. So let's get this unboxing underway and I'll kind of walk you through the monitor. Immediately, this is just foam encased. Sorry, I'm just gonna rip it apart. Essentially, because this is the VESA stand if you want to apply it that way. So that's the frame for that. Also looks like this is the power cable. And then this is a box accessory kit. Okay. So that comes on the top of it. Alright, flatten down. Bunch of foam here to protect it. Throw that to the side and I'll get it all over me. And here we go. Sorry. And here's the monitor. It actually comes with the stand attached. It's curved like this. That's straight out of the box like that. So I'll just put that over here for now. And the rest of the box, you got some more foam, put that to the side. And that's really it. And then just like a power dry package. Nothing else is in there, so we can get rid of all this. Give me one sec. And then I'll walk you through kind of everything that it comes with. So let me pull the phone off the stand and then we'll kind of walk through the monitor. So here's what comes in the box after you remove the packaging. All right, so you've got the monitor attached to the stand. You've got this accessory kit. Okay, this is just a dry packaging thing. We can get rid of that. This I'm sure is the power cable. And then this is the frame to hook it up to, if you want to take it off the monitor. So I'm going to strip off this extra packaging and then I'll show you the monitor itself. All right, so that's the screen. And there's the stand. Okay, I'm going to take off this sticky film. We can get rid of that at this point. Okay. It actually comes on the bottom, so give me one. So here's the monitor with all the packaging removed. It says Thunderbolt right there. This curved display. Comes with this kind of silver stand at the base, and then this white back. So that's the front. Okay. And then we'll show you the back. Here's the back. It's pretty much white. The power button and the settings are right here. So this switch will toggle and it'll turn on there. Along the stand here, there's actually, you can hide the cables through there because they'll run up into this area, and there's a bunch of ports here, and then there's a couple ports here. I'll mess with it later on, but the monitor will slide up and down. I don't want to mess with it right now because I have one hand. On the back up here, there's a audio port and then 2 USB-A ports, and then this area pops right up, and then it'll have all the information about the monitor, but that's the power port. Sorry, it's not out of focus. DC 25 volt, HDMI in, digital port in, 85 watt Thunderbolt cable, 15 watt Thunderbolt cable, and then there's this service cable. I don't know exactly what that is, but those all come on the back. And then this just snaps right back into place. So that's the back of it, okay? And then I'll kind of show you the accessories that come with it, and then we'll get this all connected and turned on. So as far as what comes with it, this is the power box. Sorry. I'm sure there'll be a plug or cable in the accessory kit that connects to that, and then this should connect straight back to the back of the monitor. So that comes there with it. And then this is the accessory kit. I haven't opened this yet. So let's see. Just some instructions, a bunch of boxes. That's definitely the cable for the power adapter. This looks like a Thunderbolt cable. Looks like a USB-C to USB-C cable. I'll have to look at it in further detail. Here we've got another. Oh, that's an HDMI cable. So in the box, it comes with an HDMI cable, Thunderbolt, USB-C cable, this additional adapter to go with the power, and that's everything you have. So there you have it. I'm gonna plug this in and get it set up, and then hook it up and see what's going on with it. So here you have it. Here's the new monitor, all hooked up. Essentially, I only have the power cable as well as the Thunderbolt cable that came with it. Still have to adjust it a little bit as far as the curve, but the thing fits really well in that corner there. And so got everything hooked up. It was pretty simple. Once I plugged it in, you could just go through the standard MacBook Pro display options, and that's how I set it up. And I set it up with the dual monitor for now.